Have you ever wondered why drinking seawater can make you more dehydrated, or why plants wilt without water? The answer lies in a fundamental scientific principle known as osmotic pressure. Imagine you're at the beach and you accidentally swallow a gulp of seawater. You might expect this to quench your thirst, but instead, it only makes you thirstier. This happens due to osmotic pressure. Seawater is a solution with a high concentration of salt, while our bodies have a lower concentration. When you drink seawater, your body wants to balance out the difference in concentration, so it pulls water from your cells to dilute the salt. This results in a higher osmotic pressure and makes you feel more dehydrated. Now consider a plant on a hot summer day. The plant's roots draw water from the soil, which then travels up the stem, reaching the leaves. This upward movement of water is possible due to osmotic pressure. The water concentration inside the root cells is lower than that in the surrounding soil. So to balance out this difference, water flows from the soil into the roots. This process continues, allowing water to reach the topmost leaves of the plant. Osmotic pressure also plays a crucial role in our bodies. It helps maintain the right balance of fluids in our blood and tissues. For instance, our kidneys use osmotic pressure to filter out waste and excess fluids from our blood. However, an imbalance in osmotic pressure can lead to problems. For instance, if a cell is in a solution with a higher solute concentration, water will flow out of the cell to balance the concentration. If too much water leaves, the cell could shrivel and die, a condition known as dehydration. Conversely, if the cell is in a solution with a lower solute concentration, water will flow into the cell. If too much water enters, the cell could swell and burst, a condition known as overhydration. To summarize, osmotic pressure is a fundamental principle that governs the movement of water in our bodies, plants, and the environment. It helps maintain the right balance of fluids in our blood and tissues, aids in the upward movement of water in plants, and explains why drinking seawater can make you thirstier. However, an imbalance in osmotic pressure can lead to conditions such as dehydration and overhydration. Understanding osmotic pressure can help us appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life.